Next record. Yes. So wonderful, superb, everyone. Thank you, Soumya, Ishita, Shrestha, and Akshita for joining today's session. And I really appreciate that you are being very consistent daily. You are joining, you are learning, you are growing, and you are being grateful. You are doing daily practices. And I love your consistency and the way you are doing the gratitude practices also. Most of you like your daily, like you are posting, and I really appreciate that you are putting some efforts in doing. Yes. And you will see you are not going to be the same person. The day you joined and the day we will be ending the session, you are going to be the different person altogether. Different person altogether. Yes. So, welcome to day number 21. Wow, magnificent evening to each and every one of you. Magnificent, because today we'll be talking about magnificent outcome. So, are you guys excited to learn something magnificent? As the name itself is telling, something magnificent is going to happen, right? Okay, so welcome to day number. Like I'm so happy how far we people have come. So we have completed 20 days successfully, and we like all together, like we are meeting daily, we are practicing daily, we are learning daily, we are growing together, we are making fun. So I'm so happy for all of you and for myself as well. We are growing together, right? Okay. So, yes, today we'll be talking about magnificent outcome. So, what is this magnificent? Okay, so before we begin, let me begin with the picture only. So, let me share my screen and that's yes, yes, yes. So, I hope it is coming on your screen. So, is it visible to all of you? Day number 21, magnificent outcome. What is magnificent? Beautiful word, magnificent. It's more than good, fine, okay. It's more than even superb, awesome, fantastic, wonderful. So magnificent. What is this magnificent outcome? Look at this picture. What is this picture all about? What do you understand by? Give me one word for this picture. What do you understand by this picture? Give me in the chat. What is this on your screen and what do you understand by this picture? So till now you have seen so many beautiful pictures in each and every chapter in the beginning, right? So what is the significance of this picture? Give me in the chat. Let me read out the chat. Magical doors are opening. Yes. Magic is entering. So thank you, ma'am. Clear as water. Magic comes to our life. Yes, very nice. You all are right. You all are right. So magic is going to happen today. Today. Every day we are creating some magic, but today we'll be creating magnificent outcomes. Something magnificent is waiting for us inside that door. Okay, so we are standing here, right? So right now we are standing here. So we are going to enter into this room. So, what is the life that we are living right now? Or maybe 20 days back when we started. So, what kind of life we were living? What kind of life? We were living the life of blame, complaint, criticism, fear, doubt, worry, tension, stress, depression, blaming, complaining, judging people. So, how does somebody look like? How does somebody feel like? So, every day, like we are talking about these kind of things. But inside this door, what is this coming? Light. Light. So we will be entering to this door. So outside this door, so what kind of life we were living? So we just discussed like fear, doubt, everything like negativity, mistakes, all these things. So inside this door, what is there? So what is this light representing? This light represent, which is waiting to come into our lives, like possibilities, opportunities, blessings, beauty of the heart, beauty of the eyes, right? So today we are going to enter into this room. So, like all these beautiful things, blessings, and everything is waiting for us. and we have to enter into this, right? So that is called magnificent outcome, some magnificent outcomes. So all those things are waiting for us, right? So what is this practice all about? In this practice, what we have to do is, so let's say we have some kind of like something is waiting for us. We have to go somewhere, we have to do something, we have to get admitted into something. Like yesterday only Somya was talking about, I want to get admission into some college. Okay, so that should be one of the best college, right? So how we can see the magnificent outcome, like we have got the admission in one of the topmost college. Okay, so everything is done beautifully. Okay, so that we have to see today. And whatever we will be seeing, we will be able to see, we will be able to visualize. So on that particular thing, tathastu will happen. Universe will say tathastu. If we are able to see all those things clearly, what do we want exactly? So if we say thank you beforehand, okay, so we will be able to get that magnificent outcome. So what kind of outcome that you are expecting from some kind of situation, so that we are going to manifest today. So how we can manifest? So let's say like Somya was telling, usko admission chahiye, and are you facing some kind of situation? Are you also waiting for some kind of things that you want it to be resolved? So for that we'll be thanking beforehand, and we will be visualizing it as if it is already done. Okay, so although we have done these practices earlier as well, but differently. So today we will see that magnificent outcome. What kind of outcome do you want to see? So for small, small things, we will see that magnificent outcome. And this practice I have done like so many times. This is one of the best practices I have done multiple times. If I say like 10 may say 8 to 9 times, I am doing this practice only. And if you are able to see that magnificent outcome, you will be able to create that outcome into your life. So let's say like for small, small things as well and for bigger things as well. Just say, let's say you are going to hospital and you want to see some kind of magnificent outcome. कि मेरी वहां की visit like that is like beautiful. Okay, let's say you don't want to stand into the queues. You have to take any bus, and you have to take any train, and you don't want to stand in the queue. And before that you have to see your journey. You have to be thankful for that magnificent outcome, whatever you want to see into your life, how it is going to happen for you. So you have to visualize for few minutes, and that is the surety. If you are able to see that, if you are able to visualize that, that is the guarantee Rhonda Byrne will be giving today, that yes, it is going to be the way you want it to be. जैसा आप इसको करना चाहते हो बिल्कुल वैसा ही होगा. You will be getting more possibilities, you will be getting more opportunity, like the way you want your interview to be, like that only. So I should be selected in that interview. So what do you expect from that interview? So you have to visualize it before it, and you have to say thank you for that. Okay, so that kind of outcome you can see with this practice. Everything, like everything will be so, so, so smooth for you if you do this particular practice. You don't have to wait for anything. You don't have to go anywhere. Everything in your life will be so, so, so smooth. So this practice has that power. That's why its name is magnificent outcome. What kind of outcome do you want to see? कि मुझे यहाँ एडमिशन चाहिए, मेरा ये ऐसे होना चाहिए, ये वैसे होना चाहिए, इससे मेरी ये एक्सपेक्टेशन है, इससे मेरी ये एक्सपेक्टेशन है. आई वॉन्ट टू गो फॉर शॉपिंग, और जो चीज मैं चाहती हूँ मुझे वहां वहां वैसे वैसे बिल्कुल बिल्कुल वैसा ही हो रहा है. दैट इज कॉल्ड मैग्निफिशेंट आउटकम. फॉर दैट आउटकम वी विल बी डूइंग दैट प्रैक्टिस, नॉट फॉर द जर्नी, फॉर दैट आउटकम कि आपको कैसा चाहिए. Like Shrestha today, she was talking about interview. She has to give some interview. If she wants to get selected, so how she has to do this practice? Thank you for the magnificent outcome to that meeting, to that interview. कि उसमें मेरा selection हो गया. I want to get admitted into this school or this college, और ये मुझे job चाहिए, ये मुझे ऐसा मेरा interview होना चाहिए. So the way you want it to be, so you can manifest that as it is. So that is called outcome. For that outcome, we will be practicing today. We'll be being grateful. So beforehand, we will say thank you and we will do the practice. Understood, everyone? So what is the procedure? So we will be reading and you will get to know exactly what we have to do today. Okay, so let me share the screen. And yes. So magnificent outcomes. So possibilities, opportunities are waiting inside that door. So you say grace before meals. So till now we have learned all these things. So how we have to do that, magic dust, magic ingredient, or how we have to sprinkle the magic. So you say grace before meals. So before that we are saying thank you. Grace means thank you. So you say grace before meals. All right, it's fine. But I say grace before the concert and the opera, and grace before the play and the pantomime, and grace before I open a book, and grace before sketching, grace before painting, grace before swimming, fencing, boxing, walking, playing, dancing, and grace before I dip the pen in the ink. So who is saying? G.K. Chesterton. G.K. Chesterton. Okay, so writer. So he is telling, so we usually say thank you before meals. Okay, but in each and everything, whatever we are doing, wherever we are going, so beforehand we have to say thank you. So that is called grace. But I say grace, but I say thank you before the concert. If I am going for concert, I am going for opera, I am going for pantomime. That is, some kind of silent acting. Silent acting. So that is also a kind of act. So I say grace before I open the book. So why before open the book? So that I can get all the knowledge, all the wisdom. So why I say grace before sketching? So that my sketch will become that I'm saying thank you for that outcome. Ki how my sketch is going to be, how my painting is going to be, how my swimming experience is going to be, how that fencing, boxing, if somebody is interested in boxing, walking, playing, how each and everything. Like we have to make our life very smooth. Like we don't have to wait for supermart, we don't have to wait in any, wherever we are going. So I want to save my time. So with this particular exercise, with this particular practice, you can save your a lot of time, right? So we all want good outcomes to everything we do. जो भी हम करते हैं हम चाहते हैं बहुत अच्छा उसका आउटकम हो, चाहे किसी को कॉल भी करना हो. आई वॉन्ट द मैग्निफिशेंट आउटकम. Like some of those who are the coaches. So if you are making a call, before that call, if you say thank you for that, thank you for the magnificent outcome for that calling. You want to close a person, you want a client, right? So if before that calling, before you calling your lead or your prospect, so you want to close that person, you want a beautiful deal, right? So before you call somebody, so you can say thank you for that magnificent outcome to that calling, right? So whatever you are doing, so you can use this formula. So this is the formula for you. Okay, so I'll let you know what exactly you have to speak out. So thank you for the magnificent outcome. So I'll let you know. In giving thanks before he performed an action, the writer Gilbert Keith Chesterton. So this is the same writer, G.K. Chesterton. He is telling we all want good outcomes to everything we do. जो भी हम करते हैं हमें अच्छा चाहिए. In giving thanks before he performed an action, the writer Gilbert Keith Chesterton used the magic of gratitude to guarantee the outcome he wanted. So whatever outcome we want for any of the activities, whatever you are going to perform. So if beforehand you say thank you for the magnificent outcome, exactly the same words you have to say. Thank you for the magnificent outcome. After that, what is that? It is admission or visit somewhere. What is exactly that thing? So you will have had times when you thought to yourself, I hope this goes well. I hope this turns out okay. I am going to need a lot of luck. All these thoughts are hoping. So you are hoping. I hope ये अच्छा हो जाए. I hope ये अच्छा हो जाए. I hope ये ठीक हो जाए. I hope आज मैं लकी हो जाऊं. I hope ये चीज ठीक हो जाए. I hope मेरी रिपोर्ट्स नॉर्मल आ जाएं. I hope मेरा सुपर मार्ट का एक्सपीरियंस बढ़िया हो जाए, आई होप मेरा एडमिशन हो जाए, आई होप मेरा इंटरव्यू क्लियर हो जाए, आई होप मुझे यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशन मिल जाए. सो वट एवर इट इज फॉर यू, so you can apply this formula. This is the formula of law of attraction. What goes around? So before that, if you say thank you, so that is the guarantee that it will happen. Right? So all these thoughts are hoping for a good outcome to a situation. But life doesn't happen by chance or because of a stroke of luck. But it's not luck, na? Nothing is coincidence. Nothing is luck. The laws of the universe operate mathematically to the finest possible degree. That is something you can count on. But life doesn't work like that. Life works on the principles. And what is that principle? Law of attraction. Life works on principle. Nothing is coincidence, nothing is hoping. So, how we have to apply this formula to each and every situation, whatever you are going to do, small activities or big activities. So, it will make your life so simple. So, like, see, a pilot doesn't hope that the laws of physics will keep working during his flight because he knows the laws of physics will never fail. Laws of physics will never fail. So a pilot doesn't doubt. पायलट को डाउट थोड़ी होता है कि मेरा प्लेन उड़ेगा या नहीं उड़ेगा. पायलट डजंट डाउट. Passengers only doubt. So who are you going to be in your into your life? You are going to be the pilot of your life or you are going to be the passenger of your life. So who is running your life? You are running your life or somebody else is running your life. Right? So you don't go into your day and hope that the law of gravity will keep you on the ground. So you don't float off into space. So we don't doubt कि law of gravity will work for us or not. Pilot doesn't doubt कि I'll be flying in the sky or not. Because we believe that law of gravity is there. So that is a principle that is working for everyone. चाहे आप इंडिया में हो, चाहे पाकिस्तान में हो, चाहे चंडीगढ़ में हो, चाहे दिल्ली में हो. Law of gravity is working always. So we never ever doubt. We never doubt. So similarly, all these formulas work. Law of attraction works. Like attracts like. Whatever goes around comes around. What you sow, so shall you reap. Reap. Everything works. You know there is no chance at play that gravity's law will never fail. So जब भी हम खेल रहे हैं या कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, we never doubt कि लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटी ये फेल हो जाएगा. It will never ever fail. We will not like do like that and we will start floating in the sky or we will start flying in the sky. It will never happen. Because law of gravity is working. We never doubt. Right? So similarly, so we will be learning this as well. So this is also like as true as law of gravity. Law of attraction, law of gravity, all these formulas are true. If you want magnificent outcomes to everything you do, then you have to use the law that governs outcomes, the law of attraction. So this is same as law of attraction. The way we don't doubt law of gravity, law of attraction, so we don't have to doubt magnificent outcome. This is as true as law of attraction. So we will have to apply that formula. Right? जैसे a square plus b square plus 2ab equal to a plus b का square. That is the formula. a minus b का whole square. a square plus b square minus 2ab. That is the formula. आप कुछ a की वैल्यू पुट करोगे, b की वैल्यू पुट करोगे, you will get the answer. Right? So that means you have to use your thoughts and feelings to attract magnificent outcome to you. What is law of attraction? Like attracts like. So you will have to use your thoughts and feelings for that magnificent outcome. What do you want from that particular thing? क्या चाहिए आपको उससे? And you can apply this formula since morning till night for all the things, for all the things. कुछ भी आप करने वाले हो कि ये मेरा बहुत अच्छे बना, आज मैं बुक पढ़ने वाली हूँ, ये बहुत अच्छा मेरा एक्सपीरियंस होने वाला है, मैं सेशन लेने वाली हूँ, थैंक यू फॉर द मैग्निफिसेंट आउटकम टू दिस ब्यूटीफुल सेशन. मेरा सेशन आज का जबरदस्त होने वाला है, मेरा माइंड इतना अच्छे से काम करने वाला है कि मुझे इतने सारे एग्जाम्पल्स आने वाले हैं, इतने सारे मेरी लाइफ स्टोरीज के एग्जाम्पल्स मैं देने वाली हूँ, तो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द मैग्निफिसेंट आउटकम. So you can apply everywhere. whenever you are going to take any session, deliver any presentation, तो कुछ आपका यूनिवर्सिटी का काम है, कुछ आपको वीजा लगवाना है, कुछ भी लगवाना है, कुछ आपको ट्रैवल करना है, बिफोर दैट यू हैव टू अप्लाई दिस फॉर्मूला. थैंक यू फॉर द मैग्निफिशेंट आउटकम. दिस इज मैजिकल. This I have applied so many times, and it, believe me guys, it really works. So start applying this formula. So, and being grateful for magnificent outcomes is one of the simplest ways to do it. Simplest way. The magnificent outcomes practice is being grateful before you do something you want to go well. जो भी चीज आप चाहते हो कि अच्छे से हो जाए, so you have to apply this. You could be grateful for the magnificent outcome to the work meeting, job interview or exam. अगर आप एग्जाम के लिए जा रहे हो, इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एग्जाम, आप चाहते हो कि एग्जाम आपका बहुत अच्छा हो जाए, thank you for the magnificent outcome to this exam. Everywhere you can apply. If you are going for, so magnificent outcome to the sports game, if you are going to play any game, thank you for the magnificent outcome to my playing experience. फोन कॉल, आप कोई फोन कॉल करने जा रहे हो, थैंक यू फॉर द मैग्निफिशेंट आउटकम टू द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ दिस फोन कॉल. कैच अप विद अ फ्रेंड को मिलने जा रहे हो, सीइंग योर मदर इन लॉ. So this though I have applied whenever I used to go to like my in-laws place. So you could be grateful for the magnificent outcome to this, to your exercise routine. You are going for the exercise and you don't feel like doing exercise. But if you beforehand you say thank you for the magnificent outcome for this exercise experience, and it is going to be the magical, and you are going to love it. You will love your this exercise experience. Something that you don't feel like doing. So you can apply this formula. You can speak out this statement and your experience will become magical and you will enjoy. Right? So your pet's vet appointment. अगर आपके पास डॉग है, कैट है, पैरट है, योर पेट्स वेट अपॉइंटमेंट, जब आपको अपॉइंटमेंट लेनी है. ओके, सो थैंक यू फॉर द मैग्निफिशेंट आउटकम टू माई विजिट टू दैट डॉक्टर. Okay, so it will become magical experience. और योर मेडिकल और डेंटल चेकअप, आपको अपने खुद के चेकअप के लिए जाना है. So you can apply this. You could be grateful for the magnificent outcome when an electrician, plumber or any tradesperson is addressing a problem in your home. तो आपने घर पे किसी को बुलाया है, किसी प्लम्बर को, किसी इलेक्ट्रीशियन को, फॉर छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए. So before that you can say thank you for the magnificent outcome to that experience. जो भी आपका एक्सपीरियंस होने वाला है प्लम्बर के साथ या इलेक्ट्रीशियन के साथ, कोई भी आपकी छोटी मोटी चीज खराब हो गई है, इवन आपकी वॉशिंग मशीन खराब हो गई, अवन खराब हो गया, कोई गैजेट काम नहीं कर रहा, सो यू कैन स्टार्ट अप्लाइंग. इफ यू अप्लाई दिस फॉर्मूला, दैट विल स्टार्ट वर्किंग. इट विल स्टार्ट वर्किंग. So you can apply this formula, and this is quickest way. कोई चीज काम नहीं कर रही है, दिस इज द क्विकेस्ट वे. Thank you for the magnificent outcome. So it will start working. Right? So the magnificent outcome to a family outing, traveling, conversation with your child about their behavior. So sometimes we see na ki, yeah, so let me talk to my child. Okay. And I want to talk to my child for his or her behavior. Okay. So this conversation is going to be a little tough. And you want it to be, it should be very easy conversation, very smooth conversation. So you can apply this. Thank you for the magnificent outcome to this beautiful conversation with my child. And it will guarantee that it is going to be magnificent for you. Right? So it has that much power. The magnificent outcome to a family outing, conversation with your child about their behavior, or heart to heart with your partner. You want to talk to your partner on some difficult conversation. It is going to be difficult for you. So you can apply this. You could be grateful for the magnificent outcome to a purchase you will be making, such as a birthday gift, engagement ring, or wedding dress, or the magnificent outcome to choosing a new cell phone, new carpet, drapes, like curtains, or renovation company. You want to get your house to be, renovated, and you are looking for some people. So you can apply this formula everywhere, in every situation, for every small and big thing. You can apply this formula. You could be grateful for the magnificent outcome for a reservation at the restaurant. आप चाहते हो रेस्टोरेंट में आपको सीट मिल जाए. लाइक करवा चौथ पे क्या होता है, करवा चौथ पे लाइक वी गो आउटसाइड फॉर द डिनर. Sometimes we don't get the seat. So have you seen all the restaurants are full on that day? So if you apply this formula, so you will get the seat. You don't have to wait. So choti choti cheez, I'm just giving you some examples so how you can apply this in your day to day life, in your day to day small small situations. And you will thank me later कि ma'am, yeah, this is working, this is working. But for that, you will have to believe it and you will have to do it. You will have to practice it. Because if you don't do it, because knowing is not doing, knowing is different from doing. Knowing तो people know everything. सब पता है, सबको सब कुछ पता है, YouTube पे सब अवेलेबल है. You know that you should get up in the morning, you should go for exercise, you should go for walk, you should go for morning walk, you should do some muscle training, and you should take this diet and that diet and detox or water. You know everything. But how many of you do? Because knowing is not doing. Doing is knowing, knowing is knowing. Right? So you have to see that you are knowing or you are doing.
True,
Right?
ma'am. True. Many times we know that I want to do this, I have to do this, but we don't do.
Yes.
We are watching the reels on YouTube. Nowadays, I am very, thinking about that I have to take green tea, I have to start taking green tea, but I'm not starting because,
Hmm.
I like to, see because in the fly sessions as well, I ask many of the people that what do you prefer to have, tea or
Hmm.
coffee?
Hmm.
So we know much, especially from the YouTube. We have we have collected so much data, but we ourselves are not actually implementing. That is
Hmm.
the ma'am biggest, I would say, problem that we don't do.
Okay, so
And
I'll
I
give
think
you the solution for that, Kulwinder. So whenever you get
magnificent.
that emotional elevation, that yes, I have to do this, I want to do this, do that thing immediately. The
Mm,
like you are telling. So day before yesterday I went to the doctor, that is homeopathic doctor, with all my reports that I do every year, once in a year. So I get my
mm,
all the tests done and I visit to the doctor, and whatever is chota mota idhar udhar, so I take the
mhm,
medicine. So my doctor
mm,
suggested, because I want to reduce like 3-4 kg weight na, so my doctor suggested वो उसका गिरनार का कुछ वो था, ग्रीन टी. So
mm,
immediately after coming back I ordered. I don't wait. I had 3 to 4 green teas with me. मेरे पास है, because I
mhm.
take 2 to 3 times I take green tea. 2 times तो like I take always after meal 1 hour after uh,
मैम
like
कौन सा ग्रीन टी?
गिरनार का है, दैट इज वेरी टेस्टी. उसका ना उसमें रॉक साल्ट, इस उसमें रॉक सॉल्ट भी है. सो
ओके मैम.
इट्स टेस्ट, डिटॉक्स है उसमें, डिटॉक्स ग्रीन टी. गिरनार का डिटॉक्स ग्रीन टी. एंड इन दैट रॉक सॉल्ट इज ऑल्सो देयर. उसका टेस्ट वाओ. आई हैवेंट यू नो टेकन एनी, आई हैवेंट सीन एनी टी लाइक दैट. ग्रीन टी का मतलब टेस्ट भी इतना बढ़िया हो सकता है, बट उसका टेस्ट बहुत बढ़िया है.
Ma'am, actually I don't have any problem with the taste. मैं कड़वी से
हम्म.
कड़वी चीज खा सकती हूँ.
हम्म.
My concern is just that I don't want to lose my weight.
You don't have to. You don't have to. I'm giving you the
मुझे
example of whenever you get that emotional elevation कि आपको कुछ करना है life में. And not only
हाँ
green
जी.
tea, it's for everything. If you get that, this is so. Let's say whenever I get that emotional elevation, I was telling it to Ishita as well. Yeah, somebody told me. No, it was Mridula. Yeah. So she told me that, ma'am, I want to make the reel. I told her, you go, you leave my session. I'm giving you, 1 minute. You make a reel of 30 seconds and you come back, because you are getting that emotional elevation, ma'am. I want to make the reels like you. Okay, so now you have got the idea, you got that elevation, right? So you have to do it immediately. Eat
Right.
that frog fast. वो उसको फटाफट से उसको
I
कंप्लीट कर लो.
I
तो
have to
दैट आई
order
एम
the
टेलिंग
link as well. Hmm.
कि जब भी आपके माइंड में कुछ करने का आ गया, उसको उसी टाइम कर लो. तो डोंट प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट.
Right, ma'am. And
Procrastination is the killer of the success.
ये सेशंस ज्वाइन कर रही हूँ ना, तब से मुझे अर्ली मॉर्निंग से ही वो दिखने लग जाता है कि मुझे ये करना है, मुझे ये करना है। लाइक आई डू मेनी टास्क, इट इज नॉट अबाउट आई एम प्रोक्रास्टिनेटिंग एवरीथिंग। The thing that is least important, I procrastinate, like to give the feedback to my students, है ना, many a times I
Hmm.
procrastinate a lot. Now at the very, in the early morning, like I have just completed my important task. After that, I make sure that I sit for 15 minutes and give the feedback to my participants,
Yes.
because it actually affect their performances in the session.
Hmm.
उनको जब फीडबैक मिल जाती है ना, दे गेट टू नो अबाउट देयर स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकनेसेस
Yes,
एंड दे
that is
स्टार्ट
very
फोकसिंग
important.
ऑन दैट।
And that is
दैट
important
इज
as
रियली
well.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट।
Procrastination and perfectionism,
हम्म।
both the things are killers. Killers. तो जब भी कुछ आ गया कुछ अच्छा करने के लिए उसको कर दो, which is very important.
करेक्ट। हम्म।
Important,
राइट।
right? Okay. Yes, so let's continue. Yeah, drapes or renovation company, you could be grateful for the magnificent outcome for a reservation as a at a restaurant or great seats for a concert. और जब भी मूवी देखने के लिए जाते हैं कभी वीकेंड पे कि आपको अच्छे से सीट मिल जाए और पॉपकॉर्न की लाइन में भी नहीं लगना पड़े, तो यू जस्ट अप्लाई दैट थैंक यू फॉर द मैग्निफिशेंट आउटकम. The magnificent outcome to your daily mail, your daily emails or your tax refund for the year, for छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए start applying. इवन फॉर दैट ग्रेटिट्यूड प्रैक्टिस एज वेल, आज मेरी प्रैक्टिस बहुत अच्छी हुई, राइट? छोटी सी चीज है बट इफ वी कैन डू सो वी हैव टू स्टार्ट डूइंग इट फॉर दैट मैग्निफिशेंट आउटकम. If it helps you to believe in the magical power of gratitude to create magnificent outcomes, you can wave your fingers through the air and imagine you are sprinkling magic dust over the event you want to turn out magnificently. So let's say you are going somewhere, right? So you want magnificent outcome. So you can wave your fingers as well कि ये बहुत अच्छा होने वाला है. You just speak out, thank you for the magnificent outcome. Thank you for the magnificent outcome. So you can wave your fingers as well, as if you are sprinkling the magic dust, right? So it's up to you. How are you going to do it? So another time to use gratitude for magnificent outcomes is when something unexpected happens during your day. When something unexpected happens, very often we can jump to conclusions and immediately think there is something wrong. For example, so how like we can apply this formula to unexpected things. So like किसी का call आ गया, that also could be unexpected. So now Rhonda one is giving one example. For example, you arrive at work, आप काम पे पहुंचे, right? And are told that the boss wants to see you right away. आपको boss मिलना चाहता है. Okay, so what could be your first thought? What could be your first
क्लास
thought?
लगने वाली है।
या कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है दया, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, राइट? So the so because we human beings are like that only. So negative things come first, right? But now onwards. So if you want to see the magnificent outcomes, how you can turn it to the magnificent outcomes. So let's say something wrong is going to happen. So that also you can change with this practice. So what you have to say, thank you for the magnificent outcome. And how you have to say, see. For example, you arrive at work and are told that boss wants to see you right away. अभी के अभी boss बुला रहे हैं. The problem with jumping to conclusions and thinking there is something wrong is that the law of attraction says that what you think and feel you will attract to you. अगर आप पहले से ही सोचना फील करना स्टार्ट कर दिया कि डांट पड़ने वाली है, तो हु अट्रैक्टेड? यू अट्रैक्टेड. Okay, so did I give you that example? So I bought a beautiful cup. So let's say I bought a beautiful cup, right? So I am thinking कि हाय कहीं टूट ना जाए, टूट ना जाए, टूट ना जाए. ओके, सो वो यो कप इज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. कप इज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. लगा लो 400-500 का एक सिंगल कप है. एंड आई एम टेकिंग केयर ऑफ दैट कप. सो इस कप को कोई छेड़ना ना, बच्चों को भी उसको उनको इंस्ट्रक्शन दे दी. आई एम इंस्ट्रक्टिंग माई किड्स एज वेल, हस्बैंड एज वेल, मेड एज वेल कि नो बडी विल बी टचिंग दिस कप. आई बी ओनली टचिंग दैट कप. Okay, so the maid comes in the morning and it breaks. So who broke that cup? Maid? No. Maid didn't break that cup. I broke that cup. Because of my energy only, because of my feeling. Every day, like I'm thinking about that cup. ये टूटना नहीं चाहिए, ये टूटना नहीं चाहिए, ये टूटना नहीं चाहिए. So who broke that cup? I broke that cup. So maid has nothing to do with that. तो उसको डांटने की या उसको कुछ, because my energy was that only. Everything around you is your energy. वो आपकी एनर्जी से वो टूटा. So similarly, whatever your boss will be telling you, so you will be attracting. चाहे वो आपको डांटने वाले हैं, चाहे वो आपको वो इंक्रीमेंट देने वाले हैं, चाहे वो आपको कुछ इंसेंटिव देने वाले हैं, चाहे वो आपको प्रमोशन देने वाले हैं. इट्स अप टू यू. If boss is calling you, so don't think negative. So this is one situation. So what I'm trying to say is we think negative. The first thought that comes to our mind is negative only. Something wrong is going to, अरे यार क्या कर दिया मैंने. Then we will go to the past. अरे यार ये भी ठीक किया था, ये भी ठीक किया था, ये भी, अरे यार सुन तो लो बॉस की. Right? So don't reach to the conclusion. Wait. Okay, so the problem with jumping to conclusions and thinking there is something wrong is that law of attraction says, so we are attracting. So instead of jumping to conclusions and thinking you might be in trouble, take the opportunity to make the magic happen by being grateful for the magnificent outcome. So don't jump to the conclusion. So believe in law of attraction. Don't think negative. So whatever you want to attract, that is in your hand only. You will be attracting. So if you miss your bus or train on your way to work, so what is our energy? हर यार मिस ना हो जाए, हर यार मिस ना हो जाए, हर यार मिस ना हो जाए, मिस ना हो जाए, मिस ना हो जाए, मिस ना हो जाए, तो मिस हो गया. Or miss a flight, or our unexpected delayed. Instead of thinking this is bad, be grateful for the magnificent outcome so that you put the magic into motion to receive a magnificent outcome. So have you heard there was a story? I don't know where did I hear that story. And that is real thing. एक प्लेन का कुछ एक्सीडेंट हो गया. प्लेन का लाइक प्लेन क्रैश हो गया. एंड देयर वाज अ पर्सन हु कुडंट रीच. Okay, there were many people who missed that flight. Okay, and when the media people reached to those people, like, why did you miss that flight? Why did you miss that flight? So one person told that there was a fight with my wife. So my wife burnt the toast. Okay, so I had a fight with my wife. So you burnt that toast of mine. So that's why because of you, I'm going late. So that's why because of my wife, I missed the flight. एंड दैट पर्सन वाज सो लकी. और वो जो उसका फ्लाइट था वो प्लेन क्रैश हो गया था. राइट. सो वो आपका देखो कैसे वो चेंज हो गया. इफ दैट पर्सन वुड बी इन दैट फ्लाइट, सो दैट ऑल्सो लाइक ही ऑल्सो कुड डाई. ही ऑल्सो कुड डाई. सो ऐसे आपकी लाइफ में होगा इफ यू अप्लाई दीज थिंग्स, मैग्निफिशेंट आउटकम और दीज स्मॉल स्मॉल प्रैक्टिसेस. द होल यूनिवर्स विल कंस्पायर. मतलब people will move, situations will move, everything will move for you to save you if you are doing these kind of practices. And you will say like I am lucky. इतनी 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 छोटी चीज से आप वो जो आपका एक्सीडेंट है या कुछ है वो आप मिस कर जाओगे बिकॉज यू आर डूइंग दीज प्रैक्टिसेस. यू आर बीइंग वेरी ग्रेटफुल. तो ये अपनी जो ग्रेटिट्यूड की प्रैक्टिसेस है दैट इज लाइक ये आपके बैंक में जमा करते जाओ. You have to fill your bank account with these practices. You will be able to, anytime you may need these practices. If you have done these practices enough, if your bank account is full of these, gratitude practices, your life will become magical. But वो आपके उसमें होना भी चाहिए. Right? So then only your life will become magical. कई बार होता है ना इतनी इतनी चीज इतने उससे हम बच जाते हैं. क्यों? Why does it happen? Because of this only, and we feel like we are lucky. There is nothing called luck. If you are a parent and you are asked to attend an unexpected meeting at school about your child, instead of thinking there is a problem, be grateful for the magnificent outcome. And this today only I applied because today I had to attend my daughter's PTM. I attended, and in the morning only I did this practice, and it was magical. It was awesome. Although she is a very brilliant child. So So we can do this. Because today I had to do a lot many things. The whole day I had session 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. The whole day I had to sit. मैं कोई और ये भी है वो भी है वो भी है वो भी है वो भी है. But the whole day was like magical. Right? For small things like you can do this practice. स्कूटी पे गई 5 मिनट में एंड मेड को बोला तू वेट कर आई एम जस्ट गोइंग एंड कमिंग बैक. बस क्लास टीचर को मिला और दो चार साइन वाइन किए और अच्छे से प्यारी प्यारी सी बातें की. वो बहुत अच्छा कर रही है. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी नाइस वेरी नाइस. शी इज एन ऑसम चाइल्ड. तो बस वो हो गया. बस केम बैक. किसी और से मिलने की नीड ही नहीं पड़ी क्योंकि बिकॉज आई न्यू दैट आई हैड अ सेशन एट 11 एंड बिफोर दैट आई हैड टू मेक द ब्रेकफास्ट एज वेल. ये तो सारा काम था एंड इट वेंट स्मूथली एवरीथिंग. खुशी खुशी से हैप्पीली स्माइल ऑन द फेस. इट वॉज वेरी लाइट डे. इफ यू रिसीव एन अनएक्सपेक्टेड फोन कॉल ईमेल जैसे आपने देखा कोई नंबर आया फोन कॉल पे. वाह इट्स गोइंग टू बी मैजिकल. थैंक यू फॉर द मैग्निफिसेंट आउटकम. जरूर मेरे किसी क्लाइंट का होगा और उसको पेमेंट देनी होगी. तो डोंट थिंक नेगेटिव थिंक पॉजिटिव. If you receive, okay, so email or letter or the thought flashes into your mind, I wonder what's wrong. तो हमें क्या लगता है? I wonder what's wrong. Immediately be grateful for the magnificent outcome. Before you pick up the call or open the email or letter. किसी भी लेटर को खोलने से पहले समथिंग विच इज अनएक्सपेक्टेड. आई एम टॉकिंग और छोटी छोटी सी चीजें. कोई कॉल है कोई ईमेल है कोई लेटर है. बिफोर ओपनिंग इट से थैंक यू फॉर द मैग्निफिसेंट आउटकम. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी मैजिकल फॉर मी. और वो आपके स्माइल से आपके थैंक यू से इट विल बिकम मैजिकल. कुछ वो होने वाला होगा ना कुछ उल्टा तो भी इट विल बिकम मैजिकल. Most of the time, you will see and experience the magnificent outcome you ask for, and occasionally, you won't even know how you benefited from an unexpected event. But when you ask for a magnificent outcome and feel sincerely gratitude for it, you are using the mathematical law of attraction, and you must receive a magnificent outcome back somewhere at some time, guaranteed. So that is guaranteed. Magnificent outcome is guaranteed. So whatever you are doing, you just apply this formula, everything will become magnificent. Whenever you find yourself thinking there is chance at play with something in your life, or thinking you have no control over something, or when you find yourself hoping something will turn out well, remember that there is no chance for the law of attraction. You will get what you are thinking and feeling. Gratitude helps protect you from attracting what you don't want, bad outcomes, and it ensures you get what you do want, magnificent outcome. So law of attraction will save you. If you think positive, if you feel positive, so gratitude helps protect you. Your gratitude protects you from attracting what you don't want. So it will give you what you do want. What you do want, you want your magnificent outcome. So you'll be getting that only because law of attraction is working. So you just need to work upon your thoughts. You just need to work upon your feelings. Instead of hoping ऐसा होता वैसा होता, you just believe and you just receive it. When you are grateful for magnificent outcomes, you are using universal law and changing hopes and chance into faith and certainty. जो आप वो hope कर रहे थे, I hope it goes well, I hope it is going to be okay. So all your hopes and chance will become faith and certainty. Certainty of what? Certainty of magnificent outcome. When gratitude becomes your way of life, so I'm repeating it, I'm telling you again and again, you have to make it way of life, way of life, way of life. You automatically go into everything you do with gratitude, knowing that the magic of gratitude will produce a magnificent outcome. It will produce the magnificent outcome. So you have to make it a way of life. The more you practice magnificent outcomes and make it a daily habit, the more magnificent outcomes you will attract into your life. Less and less you will find yourself in situation that you don't want to be in. You won't find yourself in the wrong place at the wrong time. आप कभी भी गलत टाइम पे गलत जगह पे नहीं होगे. You will always be at the right place. You will always be at the right time, and you will be attracting right people, right situation, right things into your life. You will never be at the wrong place at the wrong time. And no matter what happens in your day, you will know with absolute certainty that the outcome will be magnificent. It is that certain, that certain. At the beginning of today, choose. So for today's practice, what we have to do, this is all about the practice, what we have to do at the beginning of today. So this you have to do today in the morning. Okay, so what do you want? So you have to see that what are the three things that I want. It should happen today. At the beginning of today, choose three separate situations where you would like magnificent outcomes. कहाँ आप चाहते हो कि magnificent outcome आपको मिले, right? So you can choose three things that are important to you in your life currently. What are the three things which are important to you that you want to see into your life? That this should happen. I want this result to happen. सच एज अ जॉब इंटरव्यू कमिंग अप, कोई इंटरव्यू आ रहा है, एन एप्लीकेशन फॉर अ लोन, कोई लोन अप्रूव कराना है, एन एग्जाम और अ डॉक्टर्स अपॉइंटमेंट. You can also start by selecting three things that are normally humdrum activities for you. Humdrum means boring activity that you don't like to do, you don't feel like doing. Okay, so three things that are very important and something which are not very important and you don't feel like doing. Boring activities, humdrum activities. Because when the magic happens to those humdrum activities, you will be really convinced that you attracted the magnificent outcome. Humdrum means छोटी छोटी activities जो आपको बोर लगती हैं. जैसे like I feel it very boring to take out the, bring the milk from that mother dairy. वो मुझे लगता है वो 10-15 मिनट लग जाता है. तो you apply like magnificent outcome, there will be no queue. You will not be standing in the queue and you will be like going and coming back within 5 minutes. It will take only 5 minutes. You are just going and coming back. So like that could be very small activity for you. But if you apply this formula, it will become magical for you. You will not feel bored and you will not feel like you don't have to do it. You will enjoy that. कि हाँ मैं वहां पे जाऊंगी, कोई मिलेगा, मैं मतलब फटाफट से लेके और काम करके अपना खत्म करके लाइक फटाफट से आ जाऊंगी. So it could be a very small activity, but that also can be enjoyable for you. That also you can, enjoy doing. If you want to make your life so easy, or मतलब खुशी खुशी, happy, smile on the face, so you can apply this formula on small activity. So when all these things start happening, when you start applying this formula for small activities, you will see, wow यार इतना कितना आसानी से हो गया, कितना मजा आया करने में. This was also very joyful, this was also very joyful, and I enjoyed this activity also, I enjoyed that activity also. Small activity, you will start enjoying your life. Okay, for example, you could choose your drive to work. डूइंग द आयरनिंग, जैसे आप आयरन कर रहे हो कपड़े, वाह कितना मजा आ रहा है यार, कितना ब्यूटीफुली हम, मतलब यू विल स्टार्ट डूइंग एवरीथिंग ब्यूटीफुली, इजीली, effortlessly. Every task will become very easy for you that you don't like, that you don't enjoy. क्या क्या करना अच्छा नहीं लगता उसकी भी एक लिस्ट बना लो. जैसे आयरनिंग करना अच्छा नहीं लगता, मार्केट से दूध लाना नहीं अच्छा लगता, सब्जी खरीदना अच्छा नहीं लगता, जितने भी सारे बोरिंग और हेमड्रम वर्क है ना, उसके लिए पहले सबसे पहले अप्लाई करो. तो ये छोटे छोटे कामों में मजा आने लग गया तो बड़े काम तो अपने आप ही, बिकॉज यू विल चेंज योर एनर्जी, यू विल चेंज योर वाइब्रेशन, यू विल चेंज योर फ्रीक्वेंसी. छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए फ्रीक्वेंसी चेंज होगी तो बड़ी बड़ी चीजें यू विल इजीली अट्रैक्ट. For example, you could choose drive to work, doing the ironing, going to the bank or post office, picking up the kids, paying the bills, or collecting the mail. Sometimes we don't like doing these small activities. ऐसा लगता है ना कि नहीं यार हस्बैंड ही कर रहे हैं यार, मेल आप ही कलेक्ट कर लो, बिल आप ही भर देना, बच्चों को आप ही छोड़ देना, बच्चों को आप ही ले आना. You do all these activities. We don't feel like doing these activities, small activities. So if you want that there should be smile on your face and you should enjoy these activities as well, because anyhow we will have to do these activities. सबको करनी तो पड़ती है ना. I have to pick up my daughter, I have to drop my daughter to the school, I have to pay the bills as well. Sometimes we need to go to banks as well. So you will start enjoying these activities if you are being grateful. So make a written list of 3 situations you have chosen for magnificent outcome. Use gratitude's magical power, and as you write each one, imagine that you are writing about each one after it has happened. इसके होने से पहले ही, how you have to write, thank you for the magnificent outcome to dash. Then activity, वे आपको कौन सी एक्टिविटी लिखनी है? Like to visit to the doctor, to visit to pay the bill, right? So anything you can write. Thank you for the magnificent outcome to, किस पे magnificent outcome लगाना है? What outcome do you want to see? What outcome do you want to make magnificent? किस एक्टिविटी पे लगाना है? So that you have to see for yourself. 3 activities you have to choose. For the second step of this magical practice, first 3 things you have to choose which are very important for you. It could be like a interview, job, career, right? और किसी का admission, all important activities, 3 important activities. And what is the second step? Second step is, for the second step of this magical practice, you are going to choose 3 unexpected things. अनएक्सपेक्टेड जैसे छोटी छोटी, किसी का कॉल आना है, कोई लेटर ओपन करना है, कोई ईमेल चेक करना है, स्मॉल एक्टिविटीज. For 3 unexpected things that arise today, and use the magical power of gratitude for their magnificent outcomes as well. You could do this practice before you take 3 phone calls, or before you open 3 emails, or 3 letters in the mail, before you do an unexpected errand में छोटा छोटा सा काम, anything else unexpected that comes up in the day. This part of the practice is not so much about what unexpected events you choose, as it is about you practicing gratitude for magnificent outcomes on the little unexpected things. Each time an unexpected event arises, close your eyes briefly if you can, and mentally say and feel the magic word, thank you for the magnificent outcome to this call or to this email. For small things, for bigger things also, and for small things also. Formula is same, right? So you can't do this magical practice too much. Too much means जितनी करो उतनी कम है. So this is the sarcasm वाला sentence. So you can't do this magical practice too much, because जितना करो कम है. Because the more you practice it, the more magnificent outcomes you will have into your life, as a matter of course. But practicing it today will get you into the idea of it, and in the future, if you ever find yourself in a situation where you are hoping कि ये अच्छा हो जाए, ये अच्छा हो जाए, काश ये अच्छा हो जाए, काश ये अच्छा हो जाए, अरे अच्छा हो सकता है. You just need to put that formula. Hoping for a good outcome or thinking you need luck, कि मुझे इसमें लक चाहिए, लक चाहिए. लक नहीं चाहिए आपको, मैग्निफिशेंट आउटकम चाहिए, राइट? So you will immediately turn to the magical power of gratitude and make magnificent outcomes a certainty into your life. That is a surety if you apply this formula. So how we have to do, although we have already read this, but what is the practice exactly? What we need to do? Magic practice number 21, magnificent outcomes. Count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you are grateful, reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, and thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. For today's practice, at the beginning of the day, so tomorrow in the morning, or you can select it today as well. But I want you to do it in the morning tomorrow, because tomorrow is the beginning of the day. At the beginning of the day, choose 3 things or situations that are important to you, where you want magnificent outcome. Okay, in the morning tomorrow, you have to choose 3 things that you want to do. कि कौन से 3 काम आज आपको करने हैं, राइट? फॉर दैट यू वॉन्ट मैग्निफिशेंट आउटकम. कौन से काम आप चाहते हो कि बहुत अच्छे से हो जाए? लिस्ट योर 3 थिंग्स. आपने उसको लिख लिया, तीनों कामों को, एंड राइट ईच वन एज दो यू आर राइटिंग आफ्टर इट हैज हैपेंड. आपको ऐसे लिखना है कि आप इसको काम करने के बाद आप थैंक यू कर रहे हो, बट यू हैव टू डू इट बिफोर. कैसा हुआ वो, उसका आउटकम कैसा था, राइट? थैंक यू फॉर द मैग्निफिशेंट आउटकम टू डैश. Did you understand this? How you have to do? You have to write 3 things, and for that you have to see it is already done. उसका आउटकम क्या था वो आपको पहले से ही देखना है. That's it. कि उसका आउटकम कैसा था. बहुत अच्छा आउटकम था, मैग्निफिशेंट आउटकम था. क्या रिजल्ट आपको चाहिए, you need to visualize. And for everything you have to sit for 1 minute. So it is going to take only 3 minutes in the morning, but you have to do it. right? Deliberately. As you go through your day, choose 3 unexpected events. Unexpected, that कोई call, कोई छोटा सा कुछ भी, that come up in your day, where you can be grateful for a magnificent outcome. Each time, close your eyes and mentally say and feel, thank you for the magnificent outcome to dash. Formula is same for the bigger things or for smaller things as well. So 3 bigger things and 3 small things. 3 unexpected, कोई call उठाने से पहले, thank you for the magnificent outcome. It is going to be magical. Okay. So just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. I hope you all are doing these practices. The first practice you are doing it with me, and the last practice you have to do before you go to sleep. Take your magic rock in your hand and you have to recall the best thing that happened. So that सोते वक्त आपके फेस पे स्माइल रहे, जो वो सुबह तक रहेगी. Right? Okay. Yes. Any question on this? Any question? So how you have to do? Any question on this? So tomorrow when you will be getting up in the morning, so 3 things. Thank you for the magnificent outcome. उस पे लगाना है आपको. This is the formula. ये आपको लगाना है 3 things what you want. क्या outcome आप देखना चाहते हो? That you have to visualize. 1 minute for one thing, one task. So better you make a list. अब रात को सोने से पहले भी that you can write 3 tasks that I have to do it tomorrow. 3 काम ये जो आपको करने हैं. गॉट इट. किसी को कॉल करना है, जैसे बताया, कोई एडमिशन है, कोई डॉक्टर की विजिट है, कोई अपॉइंटमेंट है. इट कुड बी एनीथिंग, राइट? यस. एनी क्वेश्चन ऑन दिस? नो क्वेश्चन? ओके.